Welcome back, focused learners, to another explainer. Today, we're tackling a massive and, honestly, kind of daunting hurdle in the modern business world, the corporate training crisis. We're going to break down a really innovative solution designed to completely overhaul exactly how organizations build out their digital capabilities. I want you to think about your own workplace for a second. Are your folks struggling to keep up with the absolute constant influx of new tech? You know, the root of the problem usually comes down to a lack of essential digital skills, which obviously leads to really slow adaptation. Add in the super high cost of traditional training, totally inconsistent quality, and a massive hit to productivity, and you've got this frustrating cycle for everyone involved.
Part 1. Meet SmartSkill 360.
So, looking at the big picture here, this platform's core mission boils down to 4 really powerful words: upskill, adapt, perform, and grow. It is purposefully designed to empower people to adopt new systems exponentially faster, which ultimately paves the way for a truly future-ready workforce.
Part 2. Building the engine.
Now, the platform itself is built on this brilliant continuous improvement loop, and it's completely powered by the design thinking methodology. We're talking empathize, define, ideate, and test. This cyclical approach ensures the platform is constantly evolving to accelerate system adoption, all while drastically cutting down both training costs and time.
To actually support that loop, the developers used some incredibly robust methodologies. You've got agile development, a highly structured SDLC approach, lean startup principles, user-centered design, and the business model canvas. Basically, this whole lineup guarantees the software is perfectly tailored to the various specific needs of the end user.
Part 3. Key features and innovations. Okay, so before an employee even clicks into a module, AI-powered assessments step in to evaluate their current skills. This is an absolute game changer because it means your team never wastes valuable time relearning stuff they already know. It establishes a perfectly accurate baseline instantly.
And then, right from that baseline, the system automatically builds personalized learning paths. So instead of that clunky, one-size-fits-all approach, literally every single user gets a training journey tailored exactly for them. This leads to significantly more effective long-term knowledge retention. Now, to keep everyone actually motivated, it brings in gamification and badges. Look, let's be honest, corporate training can be pretty dry, right? But incorporating an interactive reward system directly taps into human psychology, and the result? Drastically higher course completion rates. Rounding out the whole suite, you've got a mobile-first interface, new system simulations which act like a really safe practice sandbox, and real-time progress dashboards for full management visibility. Plus, with multi-language support and totally seamless HR integration, it slots perfectly right into a company's existing infrastructure. It is highly secure and highly scalable.
Part 4. Impact and commercial viability. This platform creates a massive ripple effect across 6 core areas. For the business, higher productivity and efficiency. For the employees, stronger skills and a major confidence boost. Environmentally, it cuts down on paper-based training. Economically, it delivers way lower costs and a much better ROI. Socially, it builds a future-ready workforce, and broadly speaking, it fully supports essential digital innovation.
And because that impact is so widespread, the market appeal here is massive. SmartSkill 360 is designed to easily scale across SMEs, huge corporates, retail, manufacturing, banks, healthcare, education, and honestly, even government institutions.
So, how do they actually capture that market? Well, the commercialization strategy is built on a very solid B2B SaaS subscription model, which ensures that steady, recurring value. But they stack several other revenue streams right on top of that, things like customized training packages, per-user licensing, onboarding fees, and premium analytics. It makes the whole business model incredibly scalable.
Part 5. The future roadmap.
Looking ahead at their innovation pipeline, it is super exciting. Phase 1 introduces an AI chatbot for real-time learning support. Then, Phase 2 steps into fully immersive environments with VR and AR simulations, along with industry-specific modules. And ultimately, Phase 3 expands to global growth, integrating advanced predictive insights that actually foresee training needs before they even arise. Well, that brings us to the end of today's deep dive. If this approach caught your attention, go ahead and pause this explainer right now, grab your phone, and scan the QR code to experience the demo for yourself. I'll leave you with this one thought. In a world where technology literally evolves daily, is your organization actually keeping pace? Or are you trying to prepare tomorrow's workforce using yesterday's tools? Keep learning
and I'll see you in the next explainer.